Hey everybody, back in the session again. Another for the behind the scenes of the whatchamacallit, Space Attacks model of the Firebird. Okay, I can give you an update on a few things. Give you this, show you this one first. Okay, here you go. I'm going back here. Yeah. This is the part where they land here and then run way off. And sorry about that. And these two things squares are the so-called elevators that will send the crafts down below to their hangars, proper bay area inside this. And yeah, as you can see when you get the light here, yeah, see those dots? Those are holes, and they are going to be put where fiber optic on. And it's going to make the running lights go across. If you watched the Donna Ritz build couple of years back, you'll see something similar to this, but in something like a metallic blue color, and it had the running lights. What you see there is going to look like this is going to look the same. This is what I did so far. You can see the fiber optics are on here already. Let me show them. What should I show? Okay, here. See the fiber optics? Most are put on. Why most? Pardon me. Well, I had to stop due to the fact I ran out. So, they're tacked on. They're on here. Same reason. And so far, that's about it for this guy. For these guys, not this meeting room. I have to go get a fiber optic store. Hopefully, maybe Monday, I will probably order it. So, fiber optic. That's where I got it from, thefiberopticstore.com. And get yourself some of these, they're also good. Tomorrow I am going to be doing a big order. Hopefully tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then maybe sometime this week. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's going to get ordered. You can find the page. Okay, I'm going to need a 3-inch by 6-inch brass plate about maybe like 1 millimeter and a half with thickness. That'll be like 0.5 thousandths of an inch. Fiber optics I'm going to order on here. A couple of bridge box girders. 2 style numbers, I'm going to make them. And a Kato 5-duct joiners. Now that's what I'm going to get for my training board. Yeah, we're doing something else here also. Maybe perhaps I'll do videos on that too, but right now it kind of like doesn't look promising, at least for now. But it's going to work out soon. All right, yeah, right now nothing else is happening, just as I haven't really worked on it very much. When I get the packages for the girders and everything, I will show them off to you guys and everything else. So hopefully that'll be a good thing. And so far that's about it as a short update on what's going on. And hopefully next week I'll show you some stuff that I came in and all. Oh, what's with the brass that I need? I'm repairing a clock and everything, and I may have to make a cap for the barrel, hand make it. So I have machine tools that help me out and everything, and it will work out very well on my part. So this is a total update for what's going on for now. Not much is happening, no more than what I just said. Hopefully everything will be going very well, smoothly. Okay, the book. Okay, Angela has not contacted me back yet. She was supposed to on the 14th. She hasn't yet. Let's just hope that she's on a roll. And she did say something about getting back to me on September 1st. But she was supposed to give me like weekly updates. So she hasn't done it yet. The money is come and gone already. Last week, here's this Sunday. Is she going to come up with any info by tomorrow? That's a good question. I do not know. So hopefully when it gets done, I'm going to sift through it, see if it's going to be okay, and hopefully it will be sent off to the publishers. And the publisher is, if I can find that, I'm dealing with these people. Okay. So, yeah, SBPRA. I'm dealing with these people, and they've changed quite a bit. And if you're writing a book also, you might want to give these guys a call, or a write-up, or email, whatever. Come on. Okay. Okay, so far that's about it. And yeah, again, it's a short update, and that's it for now for Wise. So, okay. Hopefully we'll see you next week, and bye-bye for now, okay?